Not all users are the same. If you're running a WordPress website, chances are you are dealing with different users signing up to your WordPress registration forms. Maybe you have students and teachers, customers and vendors, or members and coaches, and each one of these users needs to provide different information during registration. And unfortunately, the default WordPress registration form does not provide a lot of flexibility when it comes to custom user roles or custom fields. Hey there, I'm Carmen, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create multiple registration forms in WordPress using Profile Builder. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create separate registration forms for different user roles, build registration forms with custom fields, assign WordPress user roles automatically, and improve your user registration workflow. Let's get started. Before we jump into the setup, let's quickly talk about why multiple registration forms matter. Many websites collect different user data. For example, a learning platform might ask students about their learning goals or experience level, and teachers about their areas of expertise or qualifications. So instead of using a single complicated registration form, you can create multiple registration forms tailored to different user roles. For this tutorial, we'll be using Profile Builder because it's a great tool when you're looking to create custom registration experiences on a WordPress site. The plugin gives you complete control over your user forms, from custom fields and pre-built themes to custom user roles and multiple registration forms for different user types. If you haven't installed it yet, go to Plugins, Add New, and search for Profile Builder. Then install and activate the plugin. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Multiple Registration Forms add-on, which comes with all Profile Builder licenses, so make sure you also have a Pro version installed as well. Once both plugins are activated, you'll see a new Profile Builder menu in your WordPress dashboard. Profile Builder automatically creates the basic user pages for you right at the start, such as the login or registration page. But before we get to customizing, since we'll be setting up two different registration forms, I'll first want to create two new custom user roles. Profile Builder actually allows you to manage user roles directly from the plugin, so everything is inside one tool. First, create a role called Student, give it a role key, choose the capabilities you want these users to have on your website, and then save the role. Next, repeat the process for a teacher role as well. User roles help you organize different types of users and what they can access or do on your website. And later, we'll automatically assign these roles through our registration forms. Now that the roles are all set up, let's add custom form fields that are relevant for each type of user. Go to Profile Builder, Form Fields. For our student registration form, I'll create a field called Learning Subject. Choose the field type that best fits the information you want to collect, add the field label. Next, let's create another field for teachers called Specialization. Just like before, choose the field type, configure its settings, and then configure where the fields should appear. Once you save the fields, they'll be available to use when building our registration forms. Now comes the fun part. We're going to create separate registration forms for different user types. But first, as previously mentioned, we need to activate the feature that allows us to create multiple registration forms. Go to Profile Builder, Add-ons, and activate the Multiple Registration Forms add-on. Next, head over to Registration Forms and click Add New. Let's create our first form, Student Registration. Start by giving the form a name so it's easy to identify it later. Next, choose the assigned user role. In our case, we'll select the student role we created earlier. This means anyone registering through this form will automatically be assigned the student role. Below that, you'll see the available form fields. Simply select the fields you want to display on this registration form. For our student registration form, I'll include username, email, password, and learning subject. Once you're happy with the setup, click Save. Now let's create a second form for teachers. Click Add New again and name it Teacher Registration. This time, select the teacher role as the assigned user role. Then choose the fields that are relevant to teachers, such as usernames, email, password, and specialization. Save the form, and that's it. We now have two separate registration forms, each with its own user role and custom fields. One of the biggest advantages of multiple registration forms is that each form can assign different user roles automatically. This means that users don't have to input their role manually, but the custom form determines it for them. Now that both registration forms are ready, the next step is making them easy for users to find. For example, you could add a sign-up item in your website menu with two submenu links underneath it, one for students and one for teachers. This way, users can immediately choose the right registration flow without confusion and land on the correct form from the start. Now users can choose the WordPress registration form that matches their role. Each form displays only the fields relevant to that user type, and each user receives the proper user role on your site. So, the more relevant your registration experience is, the easier it is for users to complete it. And just like that, you've created multiple registration forms for different types of users. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe for even more WordPress tutorials. And let me know in the comments what type of users are registering on your WordPress site. I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy this video? Make sure to check out my other tutorials on the channel to take things a step further.